Yeah, are you happy? There you go, buddy. I'm glad. So here it is, all painted up and ready to go. Sorry, Brian, I took the blower off the front of the Felony and I put it onto the Infraction today. Look at this, my friends, absolutely amazing. I wanted to model this off of the Felony car that had just come out. This is the Infraction V2 from ARRMA, and it, you know, it came out in its original color. It was silver. It had the flag of the USA on it. It looked awesome. Yet at the same time, I love the all blacked out look. I think you guys are going to agree. I've got a couple of 3-cell 5,000 milliamp hours in here. It's the smart batteries with all this smart technology. These both have 100C discharge, which means this is going to have insane power. And Mr. Lyle.
Hey, how's it going?
I would like you to pilot this truck for me today.
I'm so looking forward to it.
Around the cones that we've set out, maybe some figure eights, try to see some power slides, get some good shots of the Infraction V2 for the people.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here you go, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I will power this beautiful machine on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do you think of the new look, Lyle?
I love it. The blacked out is nice. That is a sexy truck.
Yeah, it looks pretty darn good. Insane amount of power. I haven't even told Lyle about the handbrake feature on this yet, which will help the rear end slide out. It locks up the rear end, and it'll help him power slide around, or some people would call it drifting. To keep up with a truck like this, he's only going like maybe 25% throttle right now. Oh, nice there. He's starting to get a feel for it. I'm going to put a link in the video description box down below to the Infraction V2, also to the Felony that I showed on the show a few episodes ago. Both of them beautiful machines. Wow. Lyle, let's get a rip from the end, bro. See, let's go to the end and see if we can see some speed. Wow. Whoa, nice. Into the water even. Dude, I heard you. It's almost like you got past half throttle and you could hear it whine up.
Just gave it a little touch because I wanted to go into it loose, like not break free while I was throttling up, so I gave it a little just a little tap here. Yeah, that's a lot.
It's a lot of power in there.
Tons.
The discharge rating of a 100C battery, as we demonstrated in the last video of the Infraction, made a huge difference between 60 and 100C burst rating. Yeah, there's not a parking lot that's big enough almost. Okay, Mr. RC Athlete.
Yes, sir.
On the handle, sir, come back here. On the handle is this switch right here. If you push down, it locks the back axle up and will let you kick it out easier. I know, it sounds weird. How are you even going to use that button?
Like that.
There you go. It's going to take some practice, that's for sure. Oh, bingo!
One down.
You can do it, buddy. Nice, there you go. He's learning the throttle. Perfect. So this machine is on rubber tires. We did do a burnout in the last video with it. It was fantastic. Get a good smoke show going on these tires. Nice job, dude. Faster and faster. See, with almost any RC with an open differential and some power, you can race it around. But this Infraction V2, it puts a lot of power in the hands of the user. I'm loving it. Nice job. I think even though it's windy, we should nail some cones.
Yeah, I smoke some cones.
What?
Cone smoker.
right, now I know you're hoping for an infraction today, but I'm keeping it because it's a badass truck. But
it is. That thing's so stable.
But you know what I'm giving you instead?
What's that?
2 batteries in a Traxxas UDR. I already got a Super Baja Ray 2 from Losi.
Nice.
Here you go.
That is gorgeous.
You're gonna have fun. You're a basher, right? Or
I love bashing.
going to be.
Oh yeah, and I just watched your video there this morning on having the Baja Ray down at Blackfoot.
Yeah, the track.
I haven't seen that setup yet. That might be worth $10 to take this thing down there.
Yeah, and he's referring, of course, to get in there. Yeah, are you happy? There you go, buddy. I'm glad. Thanks for helping me out.
I just pointed and laughed at me as he drove by because I was talking.
That's okay, man. I'm glad you're happy. Thanks for helping me make a great video today.
Thanks for having me.
Burning some batteries with me, and now you can go and have a good time.
Yeah.
Yeah,
thanks,
buddy.
man.
All right, guys, there you go. Thank you for joining me in today's RC adventure, and for Lyle to be driving that. I'm passing on the UDR just because I've got more than enough stuff to share with all my friends that help make this show possible, and we will see you in the next episode of RC Adventures. Now get outside and have fun with RC. You know I always do. Bye.